Tracy with the Stemmen team. Welcome to our series on tips for getting your home ready to sell. We wanted to provide you with some simple suggestions that will help get your home looking its best and get you top dollar with your sale. If you're thinking about selling, please reach out to us. We offer free consultations. We hope that you enjoy these, and please let us know if you have any questions. 9 things to do to get your home ready to sell this year. Number 2, deep clean. Even if you're not planning to move, spring is a great time for a thorough cleaning of your home. We're talking baseboards, moldings, windows, grout, dusting in hard-to-reach places, and sweeping out the garage. Rent or hire a carpet cleaner for stained or worn carpets and rugs. Make sure your wood floors are looking top-notch, and if they need some extra love, consider having them refinished. Buyers open cabinets, closets, and other storage spaces, so make sure they are orderly. You also want to deep clean the refrigerator and other appliances. Let our experience move you. Text or call today and we'll help you get started.